Hi, boys and girls. Today it is time for our final lesson for writing a letter. This is lesson 5. And our goal today is I can stamp and address an envelope. So you are going to need the following materials. You are going to need an envelope and a stamp. So you might need to ask your parents for those things. You are also going to need your final letter and a pen. So while you gather these materials, pause the video and then you can come back and hit play. So, addressing an envelope. This is very important that we do this the correct way because the post office has rules for this. So, now that you're finished, you need to put it in an envelope because you want your letter to be safe as it travels to its destination. The mailman needs to know where the letter is going, and that's going to go in the middle. And so it's important that you write the address on the outside of the envelope correctly and really neat so the mailman can read it. And make sure when you write it that you do not write on the side that opens up. You want to write on the side that does not open. So it shouldn't be this side. Okay. And then up in the corner, that's where you're going to write your address. So in case it were to get lost, your letter would come back to you then. Here's an example of addressing an envelope. So you start out, you put your name up in the top left corner, and then you put your address. And so you would have your street number, your street, and then if you live in an apartment, you'd have an apartment. If you don't, you wouldn't have that. And then you would have your city and comma, followed by your abbreviation for your state. Ours is MN for Minnesota. And then you would have your zip code. Okay, and so you're going to want to ask your parents for that information to make sure it's all correct. Then you're going to have your audience's name. So this will be Sarah March because you're going to be sending your letter to me. And then you're going to have your audience's address. On the next slide, I will give you my address so you would know where to send your letter. So you will have your house number, your street, your city, your state, and your zip code. And then finally, in order to send a letter, you have to have a stamp. And that you will put up in the right-hand corner. Okay, so this is what yours should look like when it's coming to Mrs. March. So you're going to ask your parents for your stamp and you want to ask them the correct location. So you make sure you put it in the top right corner. And then ask your parents for help in writing your address. This is where you should write your name, your address, your city, your state, your zip code. And then right here in the middle, nice and neat, this is where you're going to write Mrs. March's address. So it's going to say Mrs. Sarah March, and my address is 2066 Quinlan Avenue South. And Avenue and South are both abbreviated here. And the city is Lakeland, and then comma, MN for Minnesota, and then Mrs. March's zip code is 55043. So make sure that your envelope looks nice and neat. You can pause the video right now if you need to do this. Then it's time to fold your letter. And we're going to fold it in thirds. So you take your paper and you put it the long way and you fold one side in and then you fold the other side in and then you crease it so it fits in your envelope. Then place your letter in your envelope and don't forget to seal it. You can either use a damp washcloth if you don't like to lick it, or you can lick it and make sure that your envelope is sealed. And that's it. You did it. It will be time to mail your letter. So with a grown-up's permission, you can ask them how they want you to do this. They might want to drop it off at the post office. You might want to put it in the mailbox, but ask your parents what you should do. I can't wait to start receiving your letters. I'm so excited to check the mailbox every day to see your final letters. Good job, boys and girls.